Want to so here's how you do. You install Token Pocket wallet. So you go to your Play Store, then you search under search here, the search bar, you look for Token Pocket. You write Token Pocket, right? When you do so, then you search. So this is going to be appearing. This is the Token Pocket we are using. If you are using an iPhone in your App Store, you might see just TP wallet, right? So once you see it, you install. So we'll just wait, let it finish installing. I'm going to show you a walkthrough on how to set up your Token Pocket wallet. So you just be patient, let it install. Okay, so once you finish installing it, you see that it has appeared, like as you can see here, right? So you open it. When you open it, you wait for some seconds and it's going to come up. Once it comes up, you allow, right? Once you do, for no drum. So once it has opened, so where you come here, you see these two options, right? When you tap on this one, no account. If you're watching this video, it's for somebody who have no account. Okay, so you tap on no account, create now. So the kind of wallet that you want, the account that you want is Polygon wallet. Okay, so formerly it was Polygon Matic, but right now it's Polygon. But in some phones, it's still Polygon Matic. That is MATIC. So if you do not see Polygon Matic, then know it is either Polygon or Polygon Matic. So this is the one you'll be using. Don't select any other wallet if not Polygon Matic. When you tap on it, Polygon Matic, you see create wallet. So what will happen is you tap on create wallet. So now you can choose to name your wallet anything. So I can name it set wallet, right? Set wallet. You can choose to put your own name. When you do so, you create a password, something you will not forget. So in as much as it's a password, this is a decentralized wallet. If you check, if you read what is here, it cannot help you recover the password. So what you should do is, I would recommend that you should write it in a diary. Okay, so what should be our password? Let's say set wallet 4234. So let's create the person. You make sure you put character, all these things, so that the password will be strong. Set wallet 234. So if you think you might forget the password easily, you put something to remind you. That's why they give the hint. So I put SW 234. So I can know set wallet 234. Then I'll tap. We check this box. I read and agree with user agreement. Then you tap on the blue button, create wallet. When you tap on the blue button, sometimes they give you a video. They are telling you about how it is important on what is next they are going to give you, which is a 12 key phrase. You say you understood. Then you select this 1, 2, 3. Once you select it, then you tap generate mnemonic phrase. Okay, generate mnemonic phrase, this one. So once you tap it, you tap on generate mnemonic phrase, then you tap here. When you tap on it, your key phrases will be shown. So now what you do is you copy this 12 key phrase. This is a private key for you. Nobody should see it. It should be only you. So you look for somewhere for this. What I want to do now is for educational purpose only. Don't do this. So you should just look for somewhere and paste it, right? And then you come back, then you say complete and verify backup. So now you check fantasy. Number 1 is fantasy, number 2 is wash and absolve. So wash, absolve. Number 3, ticket timber. Is ticket timber. 6, there's spin auto swing. Curious any nest. That means Dutch is the last one. Confirm. So it is in according to the way you have been given. So you have created your wallet. You understood, all these things. Understood. Then you click on this X sign, and then once you click on the X sign, this is your wallet. So one of the things you do is you tap on the plus sign here, and you look for DAI. Look at DAI here. You can see automatically you have DAI. So you just activate the DAI. You also activate USDT. This one USDT, because those are the coins you might be using. You just tap the plus sign by this side. So once you do that, you have created a wallet. Okay, so everything you are doing is on this wallet. Everything you'll be doing is on this wallet. So if I say you should send me your wallet address, all you need to do is you tap on, if it's the DAI wallet address, you tap on the DAI, and then understood, you tap on receive, and this is your wallet address. Okay, and you tap on this copy, you copy your own wallet address. All this I'm saying is what you will do and send it to me, or send it to whoever wants to fund your wallet, or when you want to fund your wallet. So that is how you do. So that's as easy as it is. Thank you. Bye-bye.